I declared a number, right? I can use here a equal to 23. I initialized one value to a variable. Then what is the procedure name I used here? I'm going to pass this value to our procedure. Our procedure name is square underscore number, square number. Okay, what is the value I'm passing? A value, that is 23. Okay, I'm passing a value. Okay, and I'm going to display that a value. I'm passing the value and I'm going to display that value. That is called in out. See, okay, how can I print that value? How can I display that value? DBMS underscore out. Spelling wrong. I can't go back. So now what should we do? Okay, slash enter. Okay, I will write again the same thing. Here, next a number, next procedure, next is condition, next begin, next logic, next end, next begin, next variable initialization, next method. Here method name is what? Square, SQUARE, square number, we are passing square number a. Next I'm going to print that value. DBMS underscore output, DBMS underscore output to dot put underscore line of what value I'm going to display? Tell me. A value, right? I want to print some message also. So square of 23. Square of 23. Next. What is the concatenate operator here? R symbol. Now value is a. End the begin statement. Close the program. See the output. Square of 23 is 529. Yes, 23 into 23. 529 is the output. Understand? So we are passing the value and we are getting the value. So because of in out parameter, in out, we can do both. Okay, this is one of the example. Note it down. This example, need to execute it. All of you, have you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Actually, before session, you executed one program called find max value. Can you see min value? How to find min value? Same program. Along with same program, say the same logic. Okay. First, what I need to do here? Declare the variables, right? Declare variable a number. Okay. Next b next number. We declared three variables. Then create one procedure name and min value. Now I'm going to find min value. I'm going to pass two values. So by using some logic, we are going to display what is the min value among the two values. Okay. Now the two values are input parameters, right? So see x in number type, comma y in number type, comma here we are going to display or output in z. Okay, z in z not out. This is out parameter, right? Out that is also number type. Okay, is begin. Tell me the condition. We are writing if condition x. So if I try to find max value x greater than y, I'm going to check now here x less than y. If x less than y, then what will happen? X value. Okay, right. If x less than y, then within the z variable we are going to store x value. Then else store y value here. Okay. Next,
And
close the if condition, right? And if we are closing if condition and if. Next, what should we close? Begin statement, right? For ending closing begin statement, use end, right?
yes, sir.
End. Next, I want to initialize some values, and I need to pass that values to our find the min procedure. Then I want to display the output. Okay, how can I do?
Begin.
Begin. Initialize the value for a value 45 I'm giving. Next, b value 55. Next, I initialized two values. Then what is our procedure name? I need to pass the values, right?
Find
What is
min.
find min our procedure name, and I passed three value. So two input parameters.
A comma B.
Find the min values a comma b. Okay, already we initialized a comma b values.
Comma colon C.
Yes, output parameter also we should pass. Next, I want to print that one DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line of
So we should declare the scene also.
C. We need to declare.
No, sir, we have declared fourth line already.
C value we declared. We declared in the declaration section. We declared already A, B, C. We declared right in the declaration section.
Okay, sir.
Already we declared. Okay, now. So while you are creating procedure, see that is named block procedure. We are giving name. See, okay. Now let us continue our in a DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line. I'm going to display one message. So mean value something, some message we are going to display between. So 45, the value is 45 comma 55. Okay, this is user defined. You can write anything here. Just for understanding, I'm writing min value. Then how can I display? What is the concatenate operator here or symbol? Then I am going to print the C value. Then end ends, then program ends. So see the value 45 is the minimum value. Okay, write down this program and execute in your lab. Okay, all of you understand the things.
Yes, sir.
You have different ways now. You just practice, then only you can remember. Don't get confusion. See, we have performed multiple operations by using these procedures. Next, same thing you can do by using functions also. Already these programs are completed, right? About functions. We performed these operations already, I think. Find max
Yes,
value by using function. Okay, we performed already. So what is the difference between a procedure and function? Important interview question also is. So procedure doesn't return any value, may or may not, but function means it must return value, must return the value. Let's see the next exceptions. Have you discussed about exceptions?
Yes, sir.
User defined exception. This example I'm going to execute here. Time is already 1:15. We have only 15 minutes. In the next class, we will discuss about this exception and all. Now, today we will see the views. This is not in your syllabus, but these are also very important. Views in where I can use views. How to create a view, how to drop the view, we'll see. See, we have the tables in my database. Select start from tab. So I have a number of tables here. We'll see what is the data available in employee table. So select start from emp. So I have employee ID, employee name, address, and salary. See, select ID, comma name from P where ID equal to 3. See, here I used one query, select ID name from EMP where ID equal to 3. Now, at any time, if I want to display this data without this query, I don't need to write the same query again and again. So whatever data I displayed by using this query, so without using this query, I need to display it. So there I can use views whenever if I want to display the data without repeating our query. So I need to create the views. Okay. What is the syntax for creating view? See the syntax: create view, view name as select columns, name from employee table, then where condition. Okay, we are created one view. Then how can I call that procedure? Sorry, how can I call that view? Select star from that view name. Here our view is what? This one. Same thing I am going to execute in our SQL. See, I am going to create one procedure. How can I create? Create view, view name as create view, view name. First employee data, EMP, something you are giving one name to view. Create view, view name as, you can use the query select ID name comma salary sal from MP where condition where ID equal to 12. Okay, see I am going to create one view with this query I created. So whenever if I want to retrieve this data about data, I no need to write this query again. Select ID name from name comma salary from employee where ID equal to 12. Just I can call that view. Then I can display the data. How can I call? What is the syntax to call? Select star from view name. Select star from view name. What is the view name here?
First employee data.
First EMP underscore data. Okay. See, without using this query, without using the above query, I'm going to display. Whenever if I want to display the same data, I can use this view name. I don't need to write this query select ID name comma salary from employee where ID equal to 12. See here it is simple query you can write. Okay, in real time we are going to write very big queries, right? That time while you are writing again and again, you may do mistakes, you will get irritation and the time wasting process, right? So if I want to display some data well repeatedly, then I can use this view. So just by calling that view name, I'm going to display the data. Understand?
Yes.
See ma, here I used to write the same query, right? If I want to display id name 3 Sita, so I whenever if I want to display the same data, I need to write again and again this same query. But now here I am creating the view. Okay, whenever if I want to display the data, so I can call the view name, select star from view name. So how can I create view? Someone tell me how to create a view. uh, Create view for select max salary. Okay, tell me how to create it.
Create view.
View name
View name max underscore salary.
salary. Create
As
view name as
select
how can I find max salary?
ID name.
Aggregate operator, right? Max, select max
max of salary, comma ID name also should print us.
id name, no need ma, here it will not come. Okay,
From
max
table
salary
name.
from table
EM.
name is emp with column alias select max of must name this expression with the column alias as max sal. So I given my alias name, right? Our output will be max sal. Within the max sal heading, we are getting the maximum salary from this table. Okay, you know alias name. I already
Yes,
explained
sir.
that.
Yes, sir.
Alias name, how you can represent by using which keyword? As. Okay, now how can I call the view? How can I call the view? Select from
Select star from
view name. What is the
view
view
name
name
max
here?
underscore sal.
Max underscore sal. Okay, see, whenever if I want max salary, I no need to go for the query, just I can call that view wherever, whenever. In that way we can use views also. Okay, note it down. Here, please note this all the queries. Okay, we should maintain in notebook. I will see what are the queries I am explaining here. That queries all must be available in your notebooks while you are practicing in your lab or in your laptop. I should see. I will verify your notebooks. If you practice only, you can write these queries. Just reading and leaving is not good thing. You cannot remember much time. Okay, if you are very intelligent also. So please be practice. Write the queries 2 or more times and uh, practice some case studies also. Okay, I will share the case studies. You can make answers for that questions. Okay, any doubts ma? Any
No,
doubts?
sir.